How would you like to be able to create an entire ebook using AI in only a few minutes, not designer? If you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Allow me to introduce you to 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝘁𝗂𝗋𝗄. Now this one here will literally create an ebook for you in only a few minutes. And this is the wonderful thing about this one is that you can actually create this and then upload it onto Amazon KDP and then eventually get some profits if you follow the instructions. Now these guys also give you the ability, now this is the launch week, right, by the way, so I can't guarantee that this is going to remain this price all this time. Currently it is only $27, but that could go up at the end of the launch. We're currently in the pre-launch, it's currently in the launch section, so this is a limited time offer only. Now you can go for $27 or you can spend a little bit more and get the full one for $37. Now I'd also recommend it, if you can afford it, go for the upgrade, which gives you unlimited access. Now what we currently get, let me take you over to the actual dashboard section. Now I've used it a little bit and I've created one ebook already, and I used up only 4 credits to create a 3,500 book. Now let me just quickly show you that book. This here is the book I've created. Now let me just put that there. This one here is Mastering Amazon KDP using 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝘁𝗂𝗋𝗄 to create, launch and profit from your digital ebooks. And they put the name down wrong, but that's okay. You can always edit that. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at what it's about. And as you can see, it also includes images, and everything here is editable, by the way. You can go in here and you can change every little bit here. It's actually a really attractive looking book. And you go through. Now, as you can see, it also has at the very bottom a call to action if you want to be able to put a link in there so you can actually get more people to purchase from you. Now, of course, I put the 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁 website on here, and this is what it brought me to, straight to this page here, which is my affiliate link. So let me go back over here to the ebook. Now let me show you how to actually create that. We'll just go back over here to the dashboard. Now I'm in the ebook section over here on the left hand side, and to be able to do this, now remembering over here you get, for 1 credit is 1,000 words. So for every 1,000 words you do, it's only going to cost you 1 credit. So to do this, we just hit the plus button right here. We're going to be keeping this as standard because I didn't upgrade to the higher version, which I'm kind of wishing I had now, that I can only do the standard version as opposed to the upgraded version. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to quickly put in a prompt and I'll be right back. Now the prompt reads, create an ebook about how to create an ebook using the new AI ebook maker called 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁𝗁𝗄. Do not use the it's not X, it's Y format or metaphors. Make it 5,000 plus words long. Use contractions. For example, it's not it's instead of it is, isn't instead of it's not, would have instead of would have, that type of thing. Now down here, if you look down in this section just here, you'll see this is where you can adjust the word count. Now I'm going to take that all the way up to 5,000 words, and that's going to use up 5 credits for me. Okay, so I'm going to leave that as automatic. Now another thing we can do is go over here to the advanced section, and what I also want to do, let's click on the advanced section, click on that, there we are, is you can add a call to action. Now I already got a little bit of a call to action going on there. Hey, and I'm going to just finish off what the call to action right now, and I'll read it to you once I'm finished. I simply put, hey, if you'd like to get access to 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁𝗁𝗄, then click here. And I put my cloaking link just there, and then all I have to do now is hit create ebook. This will create the new ebook in about 5 minutes time. So let's pause the video until then. Okay, that took about 8 minutes to do. And what we can do over here is we can have a look at the actual ebook by clicking on that and see what it comes up with. This is nice. Now over here, look at this one. We can actually see that the different chapters are, And you can actually, let's just go down to here. Let's go down to the conclusion. When you click on that, it'll take you to where you need to go. Now, of course, you can adjust this. This is the, obviously I'll be adjusting all of that. And you've now got your link there that you can actually put straight into it. And that will take you to where you've got to go. Now I'm just going to get away from there. Now let's do some editing. Okay, so just click on here. Now, of course, all we have to do is just hit the little pencil button. And we can then just click on that. Now, if you want to turn this into an audio book, you can also do that as well. Now, over here, you're going to see like a blank page and you go, oh, what's going on here? You see the little drop-down arrow just here? You can click on that and you can adjust things like the cover, the style. Let's have a look at the cover. Yeah, I might want to adjust the color of the text. So let's go over here and let's go to cover. Let's scroll down. We can actually choose the type of where the writing is going to be. I might put that, no, I'll leave it where it is. Now I might put it up, actually, I'll put it up to here. We'll use that one. And then I'm going to scroll down to here and I'm going to change the color of the font. I'm going to be making that one black. And I'll make all of this font black, just to make it easier to read on the screen, especially in the position I've got it in. Okay, so what we need to do now is title background. We'll just leave that as is. All we have to do now is hit save, that little button just there, and hit there, and that now saves it for us. Now, it will take a moment or two to make sure that it's adjusted, and we can then go have a look at what the ebook looks like. So as you can see, it's now adjusted. Now we could also lower that if we want to. Let's get rid of that and put it back where it was. Let's put it back over here where it was. We hit save, hit OK. And we can now have a look at what that looks like now. Give it a moment to fix it. There we have it. We have it right where we want it. Right, now, you might also want to go and have a look at about the author. We can click on that. There we are. Now you can change all of this by clicking on here. Now I want to change the author's name, of course. I'm not her. We'll make that one Henry Webster. Oops, a daisy. Click on that again and we hit save. Now, we also want to make sure we hit that. And then we go back over here and hit that. Hit OK. We can also click on over here again. Now, if you want to get rid of the image, we click on that and get rid of the image. You've got three options over here on the left-hand side. You've got stock, you have AI, and we have custom. I'm going to use custom. As I already have one just here, I'm going to click on that. Then we click on that. And then we click back on the save button. We hit OK. Now we can also change all of this information just here. Now, of course, you know, I don't live in that location and I'm not a consultant. I'm a YouTuber. So I could change all of that. I'm not going to do it for the sake of the video right now. And of course, I would also want to edit all of this as well. And put my name on it, my experience, and so forth. Now, another thing you might want to do is have a look over here. You might want to have a look at the various pages. Let's have a look at the introduction, see if there's anything you'd like to change here. So far, so good. Okay, so nothing there at the intro you need to worry about. Go back over here, getting started. Have a look here. That's really nice. That's a really nice infographic. Now, you can add captions if you want to, or you can leave them blank. It's up to you. Now let's have a look and see if we can actually do an AI image for this one, because this is actually a stock video. So let's go edit. And now let's just edit this one here by clicking on the image, or hit that actually. Oh no, get rid of that, cancel. We can, oh, it doesn't let me do it. Okay. Replace image, here we go. Now let's do this with AI. Now let's just say world map with Cartoon Man sitting in front. Hit generate, and it should generate an AI image and put it right there for us. I'll pause the video till that's finished. Okay, so I ended up changing it to world map with Cartoon Man standing in front of the map facing the camera. So that'll do me. Well, let's hit that. Now let's scroll back up here and hit. Let me have a look and see how many credits I used. No, I didn't use up any extra credits by doing that. Let's hit that. And now we can hit that. and we can hit OK. Now you can also edit the headings, the text as well. Let's just click on that. If you want to edit any of the text, you can add text there if you want to. You can remove it. It doesn't really matter. But right now I'm just going to forget about that and don't want to change anything right now. And as you can see, it's got like every paragraph has got text there, and you can change whatever the paragraph says. Okay, now let's go and have a quick look at what this is going to look like. Okay, there we go. This is what this section looks like, and you can have a really good idea as to what it can do. Now, once you do download the ebook, all of these links are customizable. What you can do is click on that and it'll send you to the appropriate page. Let's now go have a quick look at this. Go back to the actual ebook. Now let's go and have a look at the actual ebook itself from the beginning. Still processing. Give it a second to finish processing because it had some changes done to it. Now let's have a look at it. There we are. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, here we are. You can see where this has changed. You can click on that and it takes you down to where you want to go. You have all these new images that you can change. You've got all these things you can do. It's really super easy to use. And I have to say, this is easily as good as Designer, if not even better. And as you can see, there's a little image of myself there. And if you want to go here, click on that and it'll take you to where you want to go. And here it is. You've now monetized your ebook and included in everything. So this is 𝗬𝗶𝗰𝗁𝗂𝗋. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below if you want to get your hands on it. Right now, as I said, it's only $27 for now, or even $37 if you want to upgrade. Then there is also a further upgrade if you want to be able to go for the unlimited version of this. If you want to be able to create hundreds of ebooks and so forth if you wish to. Now these credits will, at the moment, because they're going to end up becoming a monthly thing, these credits will eventually go up in price and you'll have to be paying for a monthly. But right now, because it is the launch week, you get this as a renewal every month. You'll get 200 credits every month. And that'll renew once you've created an ebook. So every month they will go up to 200 credits. And that's if you buy the $37 one. If you go infinite, then you can create as many ebooks as you want every month without any extra costs. All right, guys. Hey guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this new AI ebook maker. Hey, also too, while you're at it, let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.